9 William Shakespeare Inspiring Garden Quotes Part 2.
William Shakespeare works were littered with 175 references to plants, flowers, and herbs. He often used these in his metaphors and similes to illustrate people's personalities.
Shakespeare was truly very fond of plants. The knowledge must have stemmed from his grandfather, who was a tenant farmer.
To sow, or not to sow, that is the question at the end of this video part 2. Catch all the garden inspirations videos.
Number 1. The forward violet, thus I did chide. Sweet thief, whence didst thou steal thy sweet that smells, if not from my love's breath? Sonnet 99. Number 2. I have seen roses damasked, red and white, but no such roses see I in her cheeks. Sonnet 130.
Before we go any further, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and comment for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you, and enjoy the rest of this video.
His steeds to water at those springs, on chaliced flowers that lies, and winking merry buds begin to open their golden eyes. With everything that pretty is, my lady, sweet arise.
Number 4. Women are as roses, whose fair flower, being once displayed, doth fall that very hour. 12th night.
Number 5. Who are the violets now that strew the green lap of the new come spring? Richard II. Number 6. To gild refined gold, to paint the lily, to throw a perfume on the violet, is wasteful and ridiculous excess. King John.
7. One touch of nature makes the whole world kin. Troilus and Cressida.
Number 8. No more be grieved at that which thou hast did. Roses have thorns, and silver fountains mud. Clouds and eclipses stain both moon and sun, and loathsome canker lives in sweetest bud. Sonnet 35. Number 9. Here are flowers for you. Hot lavender, mint, savory, marjoram. The marigold that goes to bed with the sun, and with him rises weeping. These are flowers of middle summer, and I think they are given to men of middle age. From The Winter's Tale.
Before we go any further, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and comment for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you,